In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in WordPress 2025 the easy way. This process is incredibly straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to make a backup of a page or simply want to create a similar page without starting from scratch, duplicating a page can save you a bunch of time and effort. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to head over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point, so open up your preferred web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. This will prompt the login page to appear. Now this is where you gain access to your unique content. On this login page, look for the option to continue with Google and give that a click. This is assuming you've previously linked your WordPress account with your Google account. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a list of all your Google accounts that are logged in on that device. Select the appropriate Google account linked to your WordPress profile. It's important to choose the correct account to avoid any confusion later. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you're going to go to your WordPress dashboard. Specifically, what you need to do is to head over to the Pages section. So from the dashboard, look at the sidebar and find Pages. Click on it, and this will show you all the pages available on your site. Next, you'll need to explore the pages listed there. It's time to choose the page you want to duplicate. Hover over the page you wish to recreate. By simply hovering, you will reveal a set of options right beneath the title of that page. Among these options, there should be a command labeled duplicate. That's what you're looking for. Click on duplicate, and just like that, WordPress will automatically generate a clone of your selected page. Now you might be wondering why this feature is so handy. Well, duplicating a page allows you to maintain consistency in your design and layout without having to redo work that's already been done. It's especially useful for those who frequently add pages with a similar structure or want to experiment with changes risk-free, and there you have it. Duplicating a page in WordPress 2025 is as simple as that. Within just a few clicks, you've now mastered a key feature that can significantly enhance your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other WordPress guides for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.